Hey guys, thank you for tuning back in to my channel. So guys, I want to say thank you all for the ones who are coming back. Thank you for the new people as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and hit the bell for post notifications. So this video here will show you exactly how to apply for a Discover credit card, okay? If you want to boost your credit score, I'm going to show you where to go, what you'll need to do, how long it's going to take, and things like that. So if you're trying to get things in life and you need your credit score to, go a little higher, this is just one way. This is just one of those hundreds of thousands of ways to boost it. And it's a real simple process. So this is another EI educational informational video. Don't forget to hit that like button again, share it, subscribe it, and make a comment, because we're all here to help each other at the end of the day. And hey, don't forget to trust Christ and stick around for this video. Hey guys, so thanks for sticking around. So guys, this is another EI video, educational informational video. So guys, if you're trying to build your credit, this is just one great tool to start. So I'm not going to hold you up. We're going to hop right into it. So I want you to get any device, go to any browser, and we're going to type in discover.com. Once you do that, it will bring you to this lovely website here. And as you can see, there's multiple options from the home loans, credit cards, online banking options, and things like that. Okay. So the main purpose that we're here for right now, this video, is to try to go ahead and get you approved for a credit card. So what we're going to do is tap where it says credit card, and it'll bring up a new page. All right. And this is a page that we are wanting to be on because it gives us all the multiple options that Discover has when it comes to cards. You can do cash back, and it's like most of the cards are cash back, as you can see. So this one here, cashback credit card, okay, you got a 5% cashback on that one. Student cashback credit card, same thing, 5% cashback. You got the secured credit card, which is awesome. You get the 2% cash back on gas station and restaurants, up to $1,000 in combined purchases and each quarter. And also you got that student Chrome credit card. You got the travel credit card for the ones that love to travel. You got gas and restaurant credit cards. You can just limit it to when you get that card out, hey, it's strictly for gas and food. All right. You got the NHL credit card, which that holds that has a 5% cashback as well. So you just go through these and you pick what you want. But for this video, we're going to do the secure credit card. All right. So this is an awesome tool to help build your credit, because if you wanted to start off small with a minimum of at least $200, you definitely have to have at least $200. You can do 400, 600, 800, 1,000. I mean, you could do more than that. But if you want it, you have to at least do at least 200 here. Okay. Go ahead. We're going to scroll to the bottom. Pick your card design, whichever color you prefer. They have the gray. They have this nice little like rosy or plum, this blue, this gold, and then they got this purple. Whatever you pick is totally up to you. Then you're just going to simply scroll down, key in your information, make sure everything is correct, your name, your address, date of birth, employment status, make sure everything is correct. Before you sign anything, make sure you read, check out these percentage rates, make sure it is something that is to your satisfaction. Like I say, we're not going to be late. We're going to make all payments on time, before time, because this card is just simply to bill, not tear you down. So if you're ready to bill, go ahead. We're going to agree. I'm not going to do this because I'm already in the system, so it will actually, lock me into my own account. After you sign, of course, you need to agree, all right, to the terms and conditions. You'll submit it, and literally in a few moments, you're going to have a response. And 9 times out of 10, you're going to like the response. Okay, you just got to make sure you have the funds available so that you can go ahead and give them consent to draft those funds from your other bank account. Once those funds have been drafted through ACH, you will receive a card in the mail no more than 2.5 or 3 weeks later. You start instantly using the card. 30 days after, you make that payment, they will have it reported to the credit bureaus, and you're going to see your credit score jump. Okay, guys, so if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and hit the bell for post notifications. Don't forget to stay safe, stay trusting Christ, stay drinking your water, stay healthy. Bye for now.